2017 Abu Sir el-Malek. The third one occurred in 2017 when a highly publicized study emerged as a landmark in the field of ancient Egyptian research. The study involved the extraction of DNA from 150 mummies found in the city of Abu Sir el-Malek, located in Middle Egypt. These mummies spanned from the late New Kingdom to the Greco-Roman period, providing a comprehensive timeline of ancient Egyptian history. But contrary to the previous mummies, these were not royal mummies, but some random inhabitants of the area of unknown origin. Through extensive analyses, scientists revealed intriguing findings that garnered significant attention. The DNA extracted from the mummies displayed stronger genetic affinities with populations from the Near East and Europe. DNA extracted from the mummies displayed stronger genetic affinities with populations from the Near East and Europe. The Near East and Europe.
Welcome to the King's Monologue. In this short documentary, we'll be taking a deep dive into the claims made by a heavily referenced article that was published in Nature Communications. It claims that ancient Egyptian ancestry is largely non-African.
Situated in Middle Egypt, was in all likelihood the least native settlement in all of Kemet. This confirms that not only were the Ptolemaic mummies tested definitely not native, but also the tombs, which were carbon dated as pre-Ptolemaic tombs, were likely usurped by Hellenized settlers to the region. It is likely none of the mummies tested were native Egyptians. Indeed, the selection of this tomb in this district of Egypt was not born from an effort to obtain a sample set representative of the Kemetic population, but rather it was a cynical attempt to obtain the least native and most European DNA available and pass it off to the obliging media as proof of ancient Egyptian affinity to modern Europe.
This is the 2017 DNA study on mummies, which proves that the ancient Egyptians were white, or so to say. I read the article. This is garbage.
Many of you may be familiar with this article that was published in 2017. Titled Ancient Egyptian Mummy Genome Suggests an Increase in Sub-Saharan African Ancestry in Post-Roman Periods. Right? And so this, certain news outlets got a hold of this, and, many internet trolls have been trying to use this article and say that, the ancient Egyptians are more close to people in the Middle East and Europe, and that the ancient Egyptians weren't black. In these discussions, you will find that they keep every single time that they want to show ancient Egyptians on, whether it's a National Geographic special or, when they having these conversations online, they want to show these images here of allegedly light-skinned, straight nose, more European and Middle Eastern type Egyptians.
The researchers analyzed the DNA of the mummies and found that they carried DNA common to people living in the Levant, an area including Anatolia and Syria-Palestine. In support of this conclusion, the researchers speculate that a massive migration of Asians during the Hyksos dynasty strengthened the presence of Eurasian DNA among the Egyptians. It is the presence of this alleged Eurasian DNA found in the Abu Sir Malik mummies that is supposed to prove that ancient Egyptians were Caucasians.
DNA study on mummies which proves that the ancient Egyptians were white.
from this moment on, we will not be forgotten. Our flame burns on.